We should be live. Hello, and welcome to everyone that is just tuning in right now to the stream. Good morning. We'll be finding some good new tokens. There's a lot of things that I want to go over. So let's start. First of all, I quickly want to share the live stream link, and if you're wondering how the account is doing, here is the balance. We were at 10k 3 days ago, so that's really good. 21.6k today for episode number 2. I'll show you what happened. I'm live. Wow, 25. He managed to get 25% on Bird. That's really good. If you can, tune in, have some fun. I might open up X if I find it. I'll just open it here, x.com. I haven't logged in. How cool is that? Here it is. While we are just starting right now, if you are interested in futures trading, BITGET, link in the description down below for that. BINGX, I won't be using BINGX for this particular video. We'll be using Jupiter. And yeah, 21 grand from 10 grand 2 days ago. Completed challenges so far I've also added them in the description down below if you want to check them out. Best one was 1.5k to 60 grand in 2 months. So we're going to for 10 to 100 grand. We already doubled once. Obviously the market's really good. I've got some tea brewed up. So get some tea, have some fun, and let's trade. So I'll be trading on my iPad. It's a little bit more secure. If you want to rob me in public, I don't have my wallet with me. Don't worry about that. So the first thing I want to see is I've already browsed through the first 200 tokens, added them up. If you're wondering what positions I currently have, first, hi, say hi in the chat, hit the like on the stream, really helps out if you're watching this as a replay. Hey, again. So we've got Ewan's Dog, we've got I Am Watching You, Lingian, I'm down a little bit on this, down a little bit on this, and Ross Lurf, and Official Mascot Church of something, I have no idea what. I'm up on that. So we'll be checking out all the tokens basically for the day, and I'll try to figure out a few really good ones, hopefully, and we can go from there. I promise to do this. I think I can definitely do these streams daily, because or even a few times per day. Also have the Signals group, link in the description if you want to join. Here's some of the people. So this dude is up. He's up. I don't know what he started with, but he's up a lot. 2x on Ross. He made 2x on Ross. So he's up like 6x. Nah, shout out to Nah. Shout out to Caesar. Caesar's probably up 4 or 5x in the group, maybe even more. You can slowly see how he next balance growing from 2 grand to 3 grand, from 1.6 grand to 3 grand in 2 days as well, which I'm very happy about. I know Amanda is up a lot as well. So this is not a trade I'm looking to take. So that Dread Pirates Roberts is something that I added to the not Gucci list. It's on a naughty list. We're not gonna be touching it. So volume path, Rose Pepe, buy, not Gucci. Rose Pepe. What else do we have? We have Elon Musk. Elon Musk. I'll move this here. Elon Musk. Oh, I don't know. Do I like this volume? The first thing I want to check is the previous volume, man. I don't know, man. It's not Gucci, to be honest. I wouldn't be trading this. If recently you have such bad volume, you can basically not lose money by not trading it. It's just not worth it. I've backtested this. And when you have, and by the way, nothing that I say is financial advice. You'll probably lose all your money. Do not listen to what I say, and so on. What do we have here? Eric the Goldfish. Eric the Goldfish. Volume is too choppy. This is, in my opinion, yeah, obviously with low liquidity, you will get tokens like this. But at the same time, it's just, you gotta calculate the risk. Thank you for whoever hit the like button, really helps out. Right now we are at, what do we have? Viewer activity, analytics. We've got few views, which is good. And we've got 5 viewers, so hello personally to each and every one of you. This might be a trade that I'll add to my list, so you gotta be very patient. The way I do is I filter out all the trades, check all the trades out, every single one, and then from them I add them either to the chasing all-time highs, not Gucci list, waiting for graduation, or yeah, basically that. Sugot, I've already checked it out, but let's see again. So thank you. We just got a new like on the stream. Really appreciate y'all. So the idea is I'll go through every single thing, and we gotta see if it's good. Then every 4 hours, when the 4-hour candle is ready, I will check it out and find new trades. It's pretty insane. I'm ashamed to say it, but we've got like 60 win streak since yesterday or something. It's very weird, but this is the reality. Optimus isn't a bad trade. I actually ask on the live chat, what's the balance right now? Can someone try to calculate our win streak? Because it must be like 60 in a row. Hey man, hey Caesar. Yeah, I'm up 4.5x in September, really good. It was never that good at trading alone. I'm very happy, man. I'm very happy for you. Thanks for tuning in, by the way. So look, Caesar, take some time, bro. Have nowhere to go. I'm just wondering, because once we had a 69 win streak exactly in May, which was funny. By the way, is the audio good? Because I'm getting a notification on the YouTube app, but that's just a suggestion. Is the audio good? Where do I have the audio from? Oh, it's the iPad. Okay, I should have done it in a different way. Yeah, but I'm at Super Mario. Thanks so much, man. I hear pretty good. Thanks, Caesar. Perfect. Okay, so the goal right now would be to find one more trade and just basically filter out the last 2 pages. Check page 1, page 2 from the filters that I'm using. So is this a good trade? The good thing about the live stream is that you can see how I think. Obviously, some things I will not be able to share, but most of the things. Last time I think it wasn't that good. Okay, perfect. Optimus. I don't know if I'm in love with this trade, but it's not too bad. So what I'll do is I'll add it to the, can I make this bigger? Why is it so small? That's super weird. Should be able to make it bigger. Optimus. So we'll add it to the, maybe chasing all-time highs, because it can break the all-time high very, very quickly. So what we will do here is we'll go to, so Optimus, we checked it out. We'll go to Truth World. That's something you don't want to touch. You wouldn't trust this with a bag of chips. You would be 5 feet away. Not Gucci. It's going to the naughty list. We won't be buying this. Clippy. Let's see Clippy. We gotta be patient. Every morning, basically, I gotta do this. This is how I've organized my trading. Go through everything. This is not too bad. Clippy is not too bad. I'm guessing it's below 200k liquidity. It's at 200k. You can just tell. By the way, it is a buy, but because of the liquidity, because I'll move the price, I want to wait for a dump. But it's going to the chasing all-time highs list. And hello to the 2 or 3 new people that are watching now. We have 5 concurrent viewers. And this is mind-boggling that weird videos will get views. But someone that's trading live and grew his account by 2x in 1 day, in two days actually. But this is it. We'll be the cabals. So if you're new here, click the subscribe button. You can see my previous challenges in the description, what we've done. There's proof in my videos. Basically every video I show my balance. I'm trying to be as transparent as humanly possible while having some privacy. I do believe transparency is a big issue in the space. Look, this, I'm not sure if the liquidity is bad. It's bad. This can be a potential buy, but, and this is which EMA? Come on, show up. So this is the, I don't know, I'm not in love with this trade, so just skip it. And normally, if I'm smart, if I'm wondering whether or not I should go in or not in a trade, the smart move is always to not go in. Like if you're wondering, don't. That's a very, very good rule of thumb for me personally. You can say hi in the chat if you just came to the stream. This is not bad in terms of volume. Did it break the all-time highs? No, but it's like based on days, because I'm wondering, it's the 14th, so we gotta break this or this on the 3rd, on the 15th. So we are catching them with time. So what I'll do is I'll add it to the waiting for graduation list, or the new graduates list. So Hammy. Let's look at Hammy. What do we see about Hammy? So it's a very nice pump, very, very healthy pump. I just don't like this wick, so I'll be waiting for a break. But I'll add it to my chasing all-time highs list. So it's gonna be one of my favorites. Hodo, half orange drinking. And if you're wondering what I own, this is it. You can buy some of the stuff if you like. Definitely, if you're joining, keep in mind that there's always risk involved. Yes, we did have insane results, but you can't really expect it all the time. If you're new, you can also hit the like button, because that will be very, very beneficial for the channel, and I really appreciate it. Black Frog. So this is the question, do I like this volume? It is not that bad. It is not that bad actually. But on the 4 hour, it's just either 2 up or 2 down. But again, this is the rule of thumb. If you're not sure, you just skip it. Holy. And we only gotta find one more trade because we found so many in the morning. So far this morning, what have we done? So we've got a 25% on Bird, and we traded it a few times. Profit on Shrub, huge gain on E1, bought for 3 grand, sold for 3.99 bucks, just like that. And a few others. So yeah, basically we found a lot of trades this morning. We'll see if it's gonna be a quick or a slow day. That would be. Basically, we'll see that based on. We definitely want an out season nowadays. Out season, please come. Holy is interesting. El Gato, the cat. El Gato. We've had some good trades on El Gato. The issue with El Gato is that it's, I don't know, takes too long. I definitely don't want trades that will take too long because I want quick profits. In, out, in, out, in, out. Even though it's sweet, like in, out, but in a few hours, right? But definitely not in, out in a few days. Because we have a cost, like an alternative cost to get. Our beta, our alpha, the beta of the market is good. Our alpha is good. So the more we go in and out, the better. Beta is the market, how good the market is, and alpha is how good I am. And then the more volume you apply, basically, the better. So I think this oh, it didn't graduate. What am I talking about? It's only waiting for graduation list. And what we'll do is I'll add the line so I know when it breaks. NVIDIA. Let's see, NVIDIA. Does anyone play World of Warcraft Classic? Because Classic's coming out next week. This might be a buy. The only issue I have is the 15-minute chart, but liquidity is bad, so I think it's not that bad of a trade. So what I'll do is, I think I'll buy right here, and I'll buy for 2.4. So yesterday I was doing 2 grand per trade, and the day before because I had 10 grand, but now I'm doing 3, and I'll stick to 3 for a while. I'd rather have more trades and 3 grand per trade. I'll try not to add to losers in general. That's a bad strategy. It really depends on the loser, but yeah, in general, rule of thumb, it's better not to. So even if you see me adding, think twice, because I can afford to lose. Okay, so NVIDIA, it's in the chasing highs, moved then back. So I've already checked a lot of this, and this seems to be alternatives on different liquidity pools. So we're almost done with the scanning, and then we gotta check a few more things. But this is it. We're in the trend. We're not in the trenches. We keep printing. I don't know what's wrong with this. So it's Sharky. I don't appreciate Sharky. It ticked too many times. I'll add it to the chasing time all-time highs because I can appreciate a pump in a retest. But when it wicks 3 times on the 4 hour to the same level, that's not good. It never was, it will never will be, and so on and so forth. Gecko the cat, Sharky, cook, let him cook. Let's see, let him cook. We're going on here, and that might not be a bad trade. But the issue is I don't have capital for more trades. But okay, so add this, and we'll go to the 4 hour. Yeah, this is actually a really good trade. If you want to get a quick 5% this is your trade, by the way. And just in case I want to enter, I'll set up an alert if it dumps, and if I have some capital, I won't remember to buy it. Boppy, but I think it will just take profit. Boppy is not looking healthy. Rocky, Tsuki, and so on. So this page is ready. Let's go to the next one. This is the scum of the scum, page 400 of with my filters. And then we have everything organized, and I like to have things organized as possible. Man, my eyes look so bad. Should wear glasses. I didn't sleep that well. I mean, I slept good today, but I have so many alerts, and I'll probably have them for the next 2 or 3 months. The market is too active. I'm pretty sure this 20 grand, the idea was to get a 4x in basically 2 weeks, and we are already at a 2. We just need another 2x, and we've got 2 weeks because we did it in 3 days. So that's pretty good, and that's insane on its own. But the market is volatile, so if you understand some good patterns, like the same strategy I'm using on stocks, and it's easier. I would say it's easier. The win rate is very, very high. The issue is the volatility, because the price change are just so low. They're like 1%, 0.5% on Apple, 0.5% on Tesla, and here you have price movements of 10-20%. What is going on? Like the typical, this is so dirty. So the typical move would be like 0.5% on stocks. It's easy. It's so easy on stocks. It's like take money from a baby, but compared to crypto, meme coins traders are more sophisticated than you think. For some reason, maybe because they're young and they're gamers, I don't know, but they're smarter than the Wall Street guys, I'm telling you. From the stream, okay, we're trying. Okay, we are live. We should be good now. It might take a few seconds. Okay, we're good. Hell yeah, I don't like it. I'll add it to the not Gucci list. Just not my type of play. And it's not worth doing at all. Hello to the new people that joined in. 6 concurrent viewers. If you just joined in, we started with 10 grand 2 days ago. We're at 21,300. I live streamed everything. So you can see everything on my signals group and everything else. So I've got a BullX link. If you want to be more AFK, we use BullX, especially in the night, to exit trades. How is the volume on BITGET? It's terrible. It's straight up terrible, but doesn't mean that we can't edit and check it out in 4 hours. So we've checked this out, and we're going for this. So what I'll do is I'll move this a little bit. Okay, so this was a bad high, that's why I marked it, but now we have a good one. Normally I'm not in love with chasing highs like this. So this trade I would have bought here, sold here. I don't know. This is a really good trade, by the way. But I saw that it's very bad odds for me for some reason. Let me just go to the daily. I just want to see something. It's very bad odds for me to chase trades. Like this was a good trade to buy here, sell here, but someone cheated at 14. And I have a feeling I've had some. Oh, someone. You know what? It's actually a good trade. So what I'll do is I'll add it to the. So if it dumps like by a few percent, I'll buy. And since we already are full of trades, here's the stack. It's just not something that I can entertain right now. Peony. Let's look at Peony the penguin. The technology behind Peony is revolutionary. It's unlike any other token. I'm just joking. This rhymes. 4-hour chart on the Joe Biden. Is Joe Biden alive? So 14th of October, this will break the all-time highs because he's pretty old. Walter is waiting for graduation. LOL. Clap cat. It's a cat that claps. That's the technology behind it. The volume is terrible. The volume is the worst I've seen in my life, and I've seen a lot of bad things. Silly Dragon is pumping. Clippy, just gonna alert you for Clippy. What was the alert about? Is it the profit? Went under. Okay. So NDX is not ready. We flipped it yesterday. We made some money on it. We bought a dip. Oh, Hope Sansom's cat. This was a very good token like a lot of months ago. Nice man, very sound. Thank you, Essence. Identity, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Do you have your coffee with you? Are you enjoying yourself, having fun? Hobis can be a good trade if it breaks the all-time high. Manlet. So this is like brainlet, but it's a manlet. Looking up. Oh, look at this. I love the meme coins with animation. This is new technology. These are gifts from the 2000s, and it's coming to crypto. This is insane quality. AI. Okay, so this is terrible. And then we'll go. Now there's thousands of trending tokens with good liquidity. This, I've never seen that. Look at this. We're showing pairs 400 out of 1,000. This is not always killing it. Check baby Fred chart. I will. Good, thanks, man. Yeah, coffee early. 4 a.m. Nice. 4 a.m. That's a big time difference. So you're in the States, right? It's 10 a.m. as you can see right here for me. So look, there's more stuff that I can check here, but I want to check your token first. So go to Dex Screener, so it's a little bit easier. What is the token? It is called Baby Fred. Yeah, so it's the derivative of Fred, which is a derivative of the other, of the squirrel with a hat, with peanut. So Fred can be a good token. The only issue I have is that it's very new. What am I doing with my life? Let me just click that. I gotta click this. This will quickly. It's not listed on Pump Fund. So it just got listed, it just got a radium. Is that it? Essence? And thank you for the like, by the way. So this was a very healthy candle. I don't like the, while pricing is going up, we're losing volume. But this happened here and it didn't ruin anything. It didn't ruin the picnic because at the breakout, we had higher volume. So what you want to see here is in the next 15 minutes, you want to see an increase in volume. Let's check out their Telegram, their Twitter. Is like Bomuchar will essentially maybe, yeah, hopefully, man. And look at these 200 followers. Baby Fred. So it's good. Derivatives are dangerous though. You gotta understand that they're dangerous. People will be cheating out. And you always want to do this. You want to go by bot. And you have this guy who has 27 grand worth of it. Bought for 19, so that's very healthy. He bought recently. This guy bought for 14 grand. It has 45 grand. And he sold a little bit. So you definitely want to make sure you're following the top whales. No problem, man. But for me personally, what I really like to see is tokens that are survived 120 hours, 5 days. That's very, very white boy winter. So this is the typical winter. This is skiing, not snowboarding for sure. These memes are insane. Okay, so I think this is it. I pretty much scanned most of this. Never unalive yourself. This is insane. How do people come up with this? So 13. So this might break the all-time high soon, but I won't add it to any list. There are just too many tokens. I think I've got enough tokens because we've got a lot of things holding. Here are my lists. If you're wondering, the chasing all-time highs list, the chasing all-time highs number 2 list, and it really bothers me that I have it with capital letters. So what I'll do is chasing all-time highs number 2. Yes, I want to have it a little bit more organized and tidy. Thanks for nice. Thank you, Essence. So yeah, essentially started with 10 grand 2 or 3 days ago. It was on the 12th, so this is the 3rd day. 21 grand right now. This is where we have a bunch of useless tokens. Like Even Dog, I am watching you with an eye, which is very clever. Nvidia. We have Lingy, Obi, Peanut Kenobi, which is a derivative, but it's very funny, so this is why it works. Ross Ulbricht, we took profit many times on it, bought it against Slurf, and so a few more. Love you with all my heart. Stay safe, ride bikes, have fun, go play outside, but also make sure you stay in the trenches. Drive carefully, have fun, spread